Good morning. Okay, so last night both kids are sick. Works. So they have a cough, stuffy nose, and like a sore throat, I guess. This is one of them to help put them on at night. Because with the coughing they tend to not be able to sleep. So he said give them Benadryl, kids Benadryl, and not only will I take them out for the night, but it really eases coughing and stuff. But I don't have anything that'll help for daytime. So if anybody knows of anything that'll help relieve cough during the daytime, let me know.